Well, there you have it. Rudder shaft installed, and I'm gonna try to make a new video later this week. I'm still working on the kitchen restore, and but I wanted to get a little bit done today. So next time I will put this the rudder shaft tube in the boat and get it adjusted, but it's extremely light. I did use an aluminum treated, or some sort of coated aluminum is a shaft that I got, and I have little bushings that I'm going to try to use for this to get really good bearing surfaces. And so, but it's very light. I will try to weigh it, but it's very light. So thanks for watching, and sturdy, and then I will build some support structures, and you can always fine-tune it if you think it's like a degree off or something. But this I taped it in the right location and then fixated with the 5-minute epoxy. Well, I would like to thank everyone for subscribing to my channel. We passed 300 subscribers today, so that was quite exciting for me. I know these videos are poorly filmed, poorly edited, and it's really hard to film and work on the boat at the same time, but I'm doing my best, and hopefully over time it will get better too. So thank you very much to everyone that has subscribed to my channel, and the kitchen is almost ready, so I will be back working more intense on the Kookaburra II. Thank you very much, and have a good one.